So when you are shopping for brushes, it is really, really important to first of all know your budget, and do keep in mind that your brushes will probably take up a good chunk of your budget, and it should be. You should treat your brushes like an investment. If you do, they'll serve you well and for years to come. And while there are so many things, and I can go on for an hour about brushes, I'm just going to introduce you to the 3 types of brushes, why you want to use them. The first brush would be like an animal hair brush. Animal hair brushes are used mostly for powders and for dry cosmetics. The next type of brush would be a fully synthetic brush, and that's going to be mostly used for creams and for liquid type application. And then you have mixed hair with synthetic and with animal hair, and that is used for really anything. Okay, so you can use it for liquids, you can use it to create fun effects with powders. They're really fun to play with and see how they work differently with different products. Now, I have never bought a brush and just used it for the purpose that is stamped on there. So your brushes are really your creative tool to get you where you want to go. So it doesn't really matter. You can have fun with your brushes, but if you want to really stay true to those type, you're going to know dries and liquids, and then a combination of both.